In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Base44 app to Supabase. First, open your Base44 app and go to the project you want to connect to Supabase. Next, use the chat panel and ask Base44 to connect your application to Supabase. Base44 will provide the necessary steps and guide you through the setup process. After that, if you don't already have a Supabase account, go to the Supabase website and create one. Once you're signed in, create a new project and follow the setup instructions. Now, return to Base44 and continue following the prompts provided. You may be asked to authorize the connection or enter information from your Supabase project. Next, complete all the steps that Base44 requests until the connection is successful. Once the integration is finished, test your app to make sure data is being stored and retrieved correctly from Supabase. Finally, make any necessary adjustments and continue building your application with your Supabase database connected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a Base44 app to Supabase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.